Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a black EP3 in the house. Today it's had a Japspeed 4:1 manifold and Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system fitted. It's already got some mods like your Tegiwa leaf eater, but we're going to do an ECU exchange and a map. So let's do a stock power run and see where we get to. Here we go. Honda Civic EP3, what do you know?
Second one of the day. Coming this morning, was actually only in for a 4:1 manifold, wasn't it? And map. But it had got a Cobra cat back on it that had a centre section cut out of it and then sleeved into the original cat and then welded and then a slip joint. And so basically what I would describe as a mackled mess was the way I would describe that. So I said to the customer, we have actually got a Tegiwa 70mm in stock for an EP3.
One of the reasons for that was that where they'd made the exhaust, the manifold wasn't going to meet up with anything.
The
flange
the flange on the end of the cat was gone. I assume that had rotted through or broke off, so they stuffed a bit of pipe into the end of the cat and then obviously made a section sleeve over it. So we had no way of joining to it exactly, which, yeah, fair point. I didn't make that clear. There was actually nothing to join an original to put a 4-to-1 manifold to the rest of the exhaust. So obviously we went with the Tegiwa 70mm. We had that in stock, fitted that. So he's had a complete new exhaust system on this car.
Sounds wicked.
Sounds really, really good. Only thing for me, it's got a Tegiwa leaf eater on it. I will absolutely guarantee the filter in that is filthy. You know, normally with these sort of mods, you'll make around the 230 mark. There's certainly no reason it wouldn't make that. When you're only talking about 7 brake horsepower, but the condition of the filter would make a good amount of difference. In all honesty, we don't really like that filter anyway, do we? I think it serves a purpose to get cold air, it really does, but that little slit in the top is restrictive and the filter is restrictive because it's tiny. But, you know, each their own. We can only tune on what we've got, can't we?
Indeed, but it did tune and we did make some power, made some power the mid-range as well, but my God, I nearly got my marshmallows out at the back of this one.
Did you?
This afternoon.
Well, I haven't seen that because I was sat in here.
I know, but I made a video and I really enjoyed it.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Yeah, so hopefully those guys at home enjoy that bit as well.
Yeah.
It was the mandate. He wanted flames. He wanted a Spitfire launch control. It's what he got, so he's going to be made up with that. And another happy Honda owner on his way to do some street racing, I would imagine.
Yeah, he said he travelled 3 hours to get here today, so he'll have a nice ride home, won't
Yeah, he'll only be 2.5 hours back.
he? He will have 2.5 hours.
That was
right,
quicker.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Shall we look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it.
Oh, there we go. So with me, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Technically, the red line is actually modified, so it had a full exhaust system by that point. So we're going to class that one. The red line is modified without map, and blue line is just map. So map after we've run out on the dyno, and we have got ourselves 223 brake horsepower, 194 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around to the end of another video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz for me if you fancy it. If you need modifications like an induction kit or a manifold or an exhaust, give us a shout. We've got plenty of things in stock for the EP3s. We always stock Honda parts. Yeah, and anything you need, servicing, brakes, coilovers, we've got it. So give us a shout. We've even got our merch section up and running. So for those of you who follow the channel for a very long time and have asked me about merch, yeah, you can go and get some merch now, and we'd appreciate that. And we'd love to see you at a show with a Dynodaze t-shirt, hat or hoodie on, and we will definitely come and say hello to you. But thanks, like I say, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.